Okay, so let's learn the 3 basic pen spinning tricks that you can do with a regular pen. The first trick that we are going to learn is going to be the thumb around. It looks like that. I can do this again. It's the fundamental trick in pen spinning, so it's usually the first trick that all the pen spinners learn. So the way you are going to learn it is grab any pen. It can be like a pencil, it doesn't really matter, anything will work. So if you happen to have a writing pen like this one, you can put the cup at the end and grab the pen in this position, because now there's a little bit more weight on this end, so the pen will easily spin around your thumb. After you do that, you create the pressure by pushing with your middle finger here, like that. Step 2 is you need to release from your index finger. And step 3 is you are going to catch the pen. It's that simple. So in the beginning your pen will fly off, or you will not have enough momentum, so it will drop like that. But when you get the pressure right, then the only thing left is to learn how to catch it. So create the pressure, release from the index finger, catch. That's it, that's the thumb around. Okay, so next trick that we are going to learn is called the charge. This is how it looks. So you're going to create the pressure with your ring finger, and step 2 is you're going to release from your thumb or wherever you are holding the pen while creating pressure with your ring finger. So that finger is pushing in that direction. Create the pressure, release, and the pen will do this. Then you just need to follow that momentum and land here. And that's the trick called the charge. And the third trick that we are going to learn is called the twisted sonic. This is a follow-up to a charge, let's say. So the charge was this, and twisted sonic is this. So when you're doing the charge, the pen doesn't change finger slots, but when you do a twisted sonic, the pen does change finger slots. So the way you do twisted sonic is you do a charge, and then before you land to do a charge, you are going to stick your index finger out, and the pen, instead of going in this slot, is going to go here. And because the pen already has got momentum, it's automatically going to finish and land there. So just do a charge, but instead of finishing it, stick your index finger out, grab the pen, and land in this position. That transition between the slots is actually a trick on its own. It's called finger pass reverse. So a charge combined with the finger pass reverse is a twisted sonic. And this trick is really good to use in real life if you need to pick up the pen. Make sure that the writing tip is pointing towards you. Then you can just do the twisted sonic and the pen will be in the perfect writing position. Let me do that again. So the pen laying down, tip, writing tip pointing towards you. You just go and grab the pen the way that you would do the twisted sonic anyway. And then you just do the twisted sonic and the pen will land in the perfect writing position. So this way you are actually picking up the pen and getting ready to write and also impressing someone, hopefully. Thank you for watching. I have full tutorials about pen spinning on my channel, so I will put the playlist here so you can watch it if you want. Thank you.